Namaskaram. I am Nagarajan from India Fine Arts, Austin, and on behalf of the India Fine Arts and Sri Ramanami Utsavam Committee of Austin, it gives me tremendous pleasure to welcome you all for this evening's program because this is a special occasion, Silver Jubilee celebrations of the 25th year. We have carried on in Austin this tradition for the last 25 years very successfully. It all started in April of 1995 when a bunch of us got together at UT's Art Auditorium, sang Ram Bhajans, followed it with two sterling concerts by the late Flute Ramani and Hyderabad Brothers. These events have attracted tremendous participation from the community from Central Texas, Austin, San Antonio, Temple, Texas. The response has been very positive, so positive that the late Lalgudi Jayaraman once remarked, I hope this program flies as good as great as Cleveland Tyagaraja Festival. Events like this require tremendous amount of effort, planning and execution. And thanks to Janaki Nagarajan's dedication, devotion, we have done it successfully for the last 25 years year after year after year. Now let me give you a little bit of background on the history of Ramanami Utsavam. It all started in Poughkeepsie, New York in April of 1975 when a bunch of us got together and sang Ram Bhajans, followed by a sterling concert of L. Subramaniam, L. Shankar and Ramnath Raghavan. After we moved to Austin, we continued this tradition till few years ago when the Indian population in Austin increased and there was tremendous amount of interest in participation in the community events. So we decided to drop the evening distinguished series and focused on the local day-long events from the local music schools and dance schools. This year we plan to present 2 virtual events on 2 subsequent days. The dates will be announced later on. At this point, I would like to thank and express my appreciation for my niece, Grammy-nominated Chandrika Tandon, who has dedicated so much of time to Carnatic music traditions and agreeing to give the keynote speech today. As I said earlier, the program will start now. Sit back, relax, enjoy, and get Lord Rama's blessings. Thank you and have a good day.
It's such a privilege to be introducing the Silver Jubilee of the Austin Sri Ramanavami Utsavam, sponsored by India Fine Arts. Silver Jubilee, 25 years. It's a very, very long time to continue an unbroken tradition of organizing concerts, hosting visiting artists, conducting bhajans, classes, and much, much more. And what is especially heartwarming is that this has taken place through many trials and tribulations with the intense dedication of the time, talent, and treasure of the organizing committee, gifts which are truly precious for the entire community. I am personally pleased to be sharing my own history with this amazing couple, Janaki and Nagarajan, my uncle and aunt, who are founders of this wondrous mission. When I came to this country in 1979, I would go to Poughkeepsie, where they lived, several weekends a year. And the pattern was the same. There would be a visiting artist, like Mysore Doraiswamy Iyengar, the fantastic Veena player, or Balamurli Krishna, MLV, too many to name really. Legendary greats of Indian classical music. Janaki and Nagarajan would host them, their friends, and their entourage, and the community in their own home, pick them up and drop them up from New York City. Mind you, this was way before the days of Uber. Nagarajan was a sound engineer, stage manager, program director, marketing manager, all put together. And Janaki would cook endless stores of food and feasts for everyone, between 25 to 50 people for every meal. And of course, clean up, and take care of each and every one in a way that made them feel dearer than a close friend. This would, of course, be punctuated by hours of storytelling about ragas, nuances, stories of great masters, and much, much more. The Nagarajans have been doing this since 1975, starting with bhajans and kirtans, and evolving into visiting artist hosting, starting with L. Subramaniam and L. Shankar in 1975. And they continued this tradition in Austin, Texas, starting over when they moved there about 25 years ago. For 46 years, they have been in loving service of the arts and the community. As our diaspora has expanded, the formats have evolved to include a growing number of local artists, youngsters who have trained for years and are ready to have a platform to perform, and gurus who vie to showcase their parampara and their students. It's also expanded to include other forms of the arts like dance and essays, as the arts have been a way to inculcate and remind the younger generation of the incredibly rich heritage we're all part of. Hats off to you both, and hats off to all the other members of the Indian Fine Arts, and hats off to all the great men and women who I know have been toiling for similar causes. Because you love the arts, because you care about the community, and because you want to plant sequoia trees that will bear riches long after your time. You are true inspirations to all of us, and we owe you so much gratitude. And I invite everyone to join and support this quest. You know, our great sages say that the word Rama has a very beautiful meaning. Ra means light, and Ma is my or inside me. Let the Rama Navami be a tradition where the light inside us shines brightly and fills the world with love, light, and laughter. Ganapataye Namaha. Ganapataye Namaha. Ganapataye Namaha. Ganapataye Namaha. Ganapataye
Kooti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada
It's my rare privilege, honor, and a joy to congratulate Janaki Nagarajan of India Fine Arts Austin for having successfully completed 25 years of their organization. They have done a yeoman's service to the Indian classical art, whether it is Carnatic music or Hindustani music or dance performances, by inviting the best of the artists from India and also many of the upcoming artists to support them in their artistic growth. And I was hosted by them in the year 2000 and 2006 when I traveled with Dr. M. Balamurali Krishna for performances. I've had wonderful memories of those performances. And also after moving in 2006 to San Antonio, I started Kaveri Natya Yoga, an organization for dance and yoga. They've invited me every year for their Ramnavami celebrations, especially giving me and my students a lot of encouragement and opportunities to perform. I take this occasion on behalf of all my students and my school and me included to congratulate them for a long, happy, successful next 25 years. India Fine Arts, we thank you for being who you are.
Namaskar. My name is Sri Lakshmi Nagaraj. I'm here to talk about the dance presentation by Kaveri Natya Yoga School of Dance of Bharatanatyam and Yoga. On this auspicious day of Ramnavami celebration hosted by IFA, we are humbled and proud to present our two dancers by Kaveri Natya Yoga School of Dance. Our Guru, Dr. Sridhara Akki Hebbalu, is the founder of Kaveri Natya Yoga, the School of Bharatanatyam and Yoga. The school was founded in San Antonio in the year 2006. He has been instrumental in mentoring many seeking students of Bharatanatyam and Yoga. His students from San Antonio, Corpus Christi, and Austin have been giving successful performances on a global stage. He has always been an active participant in the Indian Fine Arts Ramnavami celebrations from past several years and also in other various programs hosted by the IFA. Today, his students from Austin will be presenting two dances. The first dance is a Kirtana, Sri Rama Ni Namamu, composed by Sri Kaivara Amara Narayana. It is set to Aditala based on the raga Shankarabharana. Sri Rama, your name is delicious to my tongue. All the time, my mind is incapable of forgetting your name. Chanting your name makes me forget the enemies of my mind, such as desire, anger, lust, and greed. It is much easier to vanquish those inherent enemies by chanting your name. Your name chanting helps me to be kind and considerate to women, children, and the needy. It delights the heart of good-natured people, and it makes me alert to the goodness of the wise. This dance is performed by Anne Vadakan, Isha Nair, Kalyani Valat, Sanvi Bhatt, and Sarayu Shashikira. Let's all watch them perform. Our next dance performance is Alli Nodalu Rama, Illi Nodalu Rama. It is a kirtana based on raga Shivaranjini set to Aditala. Composer is Saint Purandaradasa. The literal meaning of this song is Alli Nodalu Rama. You look there, you see Rama. Illi Nodalu Rama. You look here, next to you, you see Rama. Ellalli Nodali, Alli Sri Rama. Wherever you look, there you find Sri Rama. Saint Purandaradasa wrote this song based on the war scene of Ravana and Rama. After days of fighting between the Rama and the Ravana armies, Ravana's army had an upper hand. The army of monkeys were at their wits' end. They became disheartened and scared. They started running for their life. Rama realized that this is the moment to come out of his human form and take on his divine potential. In a stunning shift, the battlefield transforms. Everyone looks like Rama. The monkeys, the asura, the warriors, the chieftains. Everyone is Rama. Those who love Rama see their neighbor as Rama and hug each other. Those who dislike him, the asuras, kill each other. The army of Ravana is caught in utter confusion and destroyed by killing each other. The battle was won by the Rama army. The Hanuman and his soldiers celebrated the victory. This dance is performed by Anne Vadakan, Isha Nayar, Kalyani Valat, Sanvi Bhatt, Sarayu Shashikiran, Anuradha Ramchandra, Anasuya Punja, Divya Warrior, Kavita Gowda, Priya Pillai, Ramya Sudhir, Sheila Srinivasa, Srilakshmi Nagaraj, and Saujanya Sunkara. I hope you enjoyed both the performances. Thank you IFA for giving us an opportunity to perform on this prestigious stage. And all of us from Kaveri Natya Yoga are grateful to be performing for IFA. Thank you and namaste.
Namaskaram and welcome to Ramanubhavam 2021, a musical experience of Rama, presented and produced exclusively on the twin occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebrations of India Fine Arts Austin and Sri Ramanavami, an annual festival organized by the Ramanavami Utsavam Committee. This program is presented by Swara Madhurya, a musical group in Austin comprising child and adult artists. We begin with an invocation that occurs at the start of the Ayodhya Kanda in the Ramayana authored by the Tamil poet Kamban. வானின்று இழிந்து வரம்பு இகந்த மாபூதத்தின் வைப்பு எங்கும் ஊனும் உயிரும் உணர்வும் போல் உள்ளும் புறனும் உளன் என்ப கூனும் சிறிய கோத்தாயும் கொடுமை இழப்ப கோல் துறந்து காணும் கடலும் கடந்து இமையோரின் இடுக்கண் தீர்த்த கடல்வேந்தன். Kamban says that Rama, who was forced to repair to the forest because of the evil doings of the hunchback Mandara and Kaikeyi, and who therein became the savior of many beings, resides in everything in this limitless world, inside and outside of us, akin to body, mind, and soul. Welcome to Ramanubhavam. Our first item is Brocheva Revere Raghupate, a composition in Sri Ranjani by Tyagaraja. In this Kriti, he entreats Rama to protect him, much like he protected and gave kingdoms to Sugriva, Vishwamitra, and Vibhishana. Brocheva Revere, sung by Shashwat Iyer.
ब्रोचेवा रेवते रघुपते ब्रोचेवा रेवते रघुपते ब्रोचेवा रेवते हे रघुपते ब्रोचेवा रेवते हे रघुपते ब्रोचे वारवरे निन्नु विना ब्रोचे वारवरे निन्नु विना ब्रोचे वारवरे श्रीरामानरुण ब्रोचे वारवरे श्रीरामानरुण ब्रोचे वारवरे सकल लोकनायक ब्रोचे वारवरे सकल लोकनायक ब्रोचे वारवरे नरवरणी सदि ब्रोचे वारवरे नरवरणी सरी ब्रोचे वारवरे हे रघुपते ब्रोचे वारवरे देवेन्द्रादुलु मेच्चुट कुलंकदयतो दानमोसंगी सदा ब्रोचे वारवरे देवेन्द्रादुलु मेच्चुट कुलंक दयतो दानमुसंगी सदा ब्रोचे वारवरे मुनिसवंबुजूड वेंट जनिकल मारीचादुल हतंबुजेसी ब्रोचे वारवरे हे रघुपते मुनिसवंबुचूड वेंट जनिकल मारीचादुल हतंबुजेसी ब्रोचे वारवरे वालिनोक कोरने सिरविवालुनि राजुनि गाविंचि जूचि ब्रोचे वारवरे हे रघुपते वालिनोक कोरने सिरविवालुनि राजुनि गाविंचि जूचि ब्रोचे वारवरे हे रघुपते अवादितरणोपायमुलेरनि त्याग राजुनिकरं बिडि ब्रोचे वारवरे हे रघुपते अवादितरणोपायमुलेरनि त्याग राजुनिकरं बिडि ब्रोचे वारवरे हे रघुपते ब्रोचे वारवरे
The devotee looks around and sees Hanuman at the feet of Rama. Why not I entreat him? It occurs to the composer, Srimati Ambujam Krishna. She asks of Hanuman, Yeduthuraipai Hanumane, entreat your Lord on my behalf. You have done it in the past, for Sugriva, and then for Sita Devi herself, and then for Vibhishana. Why not do it for me? There is a lacing of indignation and anguish as of a child in this Kriti, which adds to its appeal. Sung by Rakshini Shrikant, we have Yeduthuraipai Hanumane in Purvi Kalyani.
எடுத்துரைப்பாய் ஹனுமானே எடுத்துரைப்பாய் ஹனுமானே எடுத்துரைப்பாய் ஹனுமானே எடுத்துரைப்பாய் ஹனுமானே என் நிலையே ராமனிடம் 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 எடுத்துரைப்பாய் ஹனுமானே அடுத்து வந்தால் எனக்கிறங்கி அடுத்து வந்தால் எனக்கிறங்கி அடுத்து வந்த எனக்கிறங்கி அடுத்து வந்த எனக்கிறங்கி ஆட்குலவே தாசரதிக்கு நீ எடுத்துரைப்பாய் ஹனுமானே அடுத்து வந்த எனக்கிறங்கி ஆட்குலவே தாசரதிக்கு நீ எடுத்துரைப்பாய் ஹனுமானே என் நிலையே ராமனிடம் எடுத்துரைப்பாய் ஹனுமானே அன்று சுக்ரீவன கருள் பெற ஐயனடி பணிந்தாயே அன்று சுக்ரீவன கருள் பெற ஐயனடி பணிந்தாயே அன்னை நிலை அறிந்தாரியனிடம் எடுத்துரைத்தாயே அன்னை நிலை அறிந்தாரியனிடம் எடுத்துரைத்தாயே அண்டின விபீஷண கவயும் தரபரிந்துரைத்தாயே அண்டின விபீஷண கவயும் தரபரிந்துரைத்தாயே இந்திரனியாதிரி மன்னனை கண்ணுற தேங்கிதாவே கிரை கண்ணனிட்டு இந்திரனியாதிரி மன்னனை கண்ணுற தேங்கிதாவே கிரை கண்ணனிட்டு தயை செய்யடு துரைப்பாய் ஹனுமானே என் நிலையே ராமனிடம் எடுத்துரைப்பாய் ஹனுமானே
It is now the turn of Sita Devi to be beseeched by the Bhakta. She, after all, has the unique privilege of being next to Rama always, whether he is waking up, being Lord of the Seven Hills, Bhadragirishudu, or simply when they are in love. Nannu brova mani cheppave Sitamma talli, asked the composer Bhadrachalam Ramadasa in Kalyani. This composition has been beautifully sung by many, especially the great Sri Balamurali Krishna. And we will listen to Medha Ananthuni singing it in the same sampradaya. Take a listen to the composer extolling Sita Devi as Nari Shiromani, a crown jewel among women. Nannu Brovamani Cheppave.
Nanu Brovamani Cheppave. Nanu Brovamani Cheppave. Sitamma talli nanu brovamani cheppave. Nanu brovamani cheppave. Sitamma talli nanu brovamani cheppave. Nanu brovamani cheppu Nari Shiromani. Nanu brovamani cheppu Nari Shiromani. Janakuni kutura Janani Janakamma. Janakuni kutura Janani Janakamma. Nanu brovamani cheppave. ప్రక్కను చేరి చెక్కిలి నొక్కుచు. ప్రక్కను చేరి చెక్కిలి నొక్కుచు. చక్కగా మరుకేళి చొక్కి ఉండెడు వేళ. చక్కగా మరుకేళి చొక్కి ఉండెడు వేళ. నను బ్రోవమని చెప్పవే. అత్రిజ వినుతుడు. అత్రిజ వినుతుడు భద్రగిరీశుడు. అత్రిజ వినుతుడు భద్రగిరీశుడు. నిద్ర మేల్కొను వేళ నేలతరో బోధించి. నిద్ర మేల్కొను వేళ నేలతరో బోధించి. నను బ్రోవమని చెప్పవే. సీతమ్మ తల్లి నను బ్రోవమని చెప్పవే. నను బ్రోవమని చెప్పవే. నను బ్రోవమని చెప్పవే.
Chanting the name of Rama brings prosperity. As the story goes, it certainly brought Vibhishana a surprise visitor. He had the name Rama inscribed on the walls of his house, and Ravana, when he stopped by, was angered by this. When asked about it, Vibhishana is said to have resourcefully replied, "My brother, it is you and my esteemed sister-in-law that I always think of. The names Ravana and Mandodari have been abbreviated to Rama, and thus you see the inscription on my walls." Even the great Ravana had to be content with that explanation. We thought it would be appropriate to choose kritis where the syllables Ra and Ma resonate throughout. The first of these is Bajare Re Manasa, a composition of Mysore Vasudevachar in Karnataka Devagandhari. It is literally infused with the syllable Ra, with phrases such as Bhajare, Re Manasa, Shri Raghuviram, Vrijina Viduram, Ravana Martanam, Rakshita Bhuvanam, Ravi Sashinayanam, and so forth. This composition is a beautiful confluence of the lyrical excellence of Sanskrit, the melodic beauty of Karnataka Devagandhari, and the meaning encompassed within. Listen to this rendition by Ram Shivaraman.
Bhajare Re Manasa Shri Raghuviram 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 Bhukti Mukti Pradam Vasudevam Harim Bhajare Re Manasa Shri Raghuviram Bhukti Mukti Pradam Vasudevam Harim Bhajare Re Manasa Vrijina Viduram Vrijina Viduram Vishwadharam Vrijina Viduram Vishwadharam Vrijina Viduram Vishwadaram Sujanamandaram Sundarakaram Sujanamandaram Sundarakaram Bhajare Re Manasa Shri Raghuviram Bhukti Mukti Pradam Vasudevam Harim Bhajare Re Manasa Ravana Mardanam Rakshita Bhuvanam Ravana Mardanam Rakshita Bhuvanam Ravana Mardanam Rakshita Bhuvanam Ravi Shashinayanam Ravi Jati Madanam Ravi Shashinayanam Ravi Jati Madanam Ravi Jadi Vanara Parivritam Naravaram Ravijadi Vanara Parivritam Naravaram Ravijadi Vanara Parivritam Naravaram Ratnahara Parishobhita Kandaram Ratnahara Parishobhita पिता कन्दनं रविशशिकुज बुध गुरु शुक्र शनैश्चर राहुकेतु नेतारं राजकुमारं रामं पवनजाप्तमवनिजमनोहरं राजकुमारं रामं पवनजाप्तमवनिजमनोहरं भजते रे मानसा श्रीरघुवीरं गोपीमुखीरदं वासुदेवं हरिं भजते रे मानसा.
Bhajare Re Manasa Sri Raghuviram means, O mind, chant the name of Rama. In Tamil, it would be Maname Rama Namam Tudi. In fact, Rama Namame Tudi Maname is a kriti composed by Tanjavur Shankara Iyer in Desh. A very simple and lilting piece, often sung after the main piece in concerts. Listen to this rendition by Pratiksha Satish and also listen to the resonance of the syllable Ma in the Pallavi especially. Rama Namame Tudi Maname Kshema Murave Ni Diname. Enjoy.
Rama नाम में तुझी मन में वादनेगर पल सोदनेगर वादनेगर पल सोदनेगर यावूं नादने नीने दिडिल नाडमो रघुनाथने नीने दिडिल नाडमो सीता राम नाम में तुझी मन में क्षेम मोर वेणी दीन में सीता राम नाम में तुझी मन में तुझी मन में तुझी मन में.
We are blessed to be thinking of Rama today, I, these children, and you. But Tyagaraja feels that he is the most blessed one, for he has the opportunity to serve Rama himself. A service that begins with waking early in the day, performing his puja, his unchavriti, strumming his tambura jayakoni gunamula cheluvanta paduchu. He says in this kriti, Koluva Maregada Kodanda Pani. We will listen to some excerpts sung by Samarth Anantuni. Koluva Maregada in Todi.
ನಲುವ ಕೂಪಲೂಕುಲ ಚೆರಿಯ ಕುರುಕ್ಮಿಣಿಕಿ ನಲುವ ಕೂಪಲೂಕುಲ ಚೆರಿಯ ಕುರುಕ್ಮಿಣಿಕಿ ಲಲಿತ ಸೀತಕು ಲಲಿತ ಸೀತಕು ಲಲಿತ ಸೀತಕು ಲಲಿತ ಸೀತಕು ಲಲಿತ ಸೀತಕು ಲಲಿತಕು ಸೀತಕು ಲಲಿತಕು ಸೀತಕು ಲಲಿತಕು ಸೀತಕು ಲಲಿತಕು ಸೀತಕು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣುನಿ ಕರುದೈನ ಕೊಲುವ ಮರೆ ಗದ ಕೋದಂಡ ಪಾಣಿ ವೇಕುವ ಜಾಮುನ ವೇಕುವ ಜಾಮುನ ವೇಕುವ ಜಾಮುನ ವೆಲಯುಚುತಂ ವೇಕುವ ಜಾಮುನ ವೆಲಯುಚುತಂ చేకొని తంబూర చేకొని తంబూర చేకొని తంబూర చేకొని తంబూర చేకొని గుణముల చెలువంద పాడుచు తంబూర చేకొని గుణముల చెలువంద పాడుచు తంబూర చేకొని గుణముల చెలువంద పాడుచు తంబూర చేకొని చెలువంద పాడుచు తంబూర చేకొని గుణముల చెలువంద పాడుచు తంబూర చేకొని చెలువంద పాడుచు తంబూర చేకొని గుణముల చెలువంద పాడుచు తంబూర చేకొని గుణముల చెలువంద పాడుచు
It is now time for our valedictory piece, and also time for Tyagaraja to turn in for the night. He has found Rama, like one who has held his breath, dived to the bottom of the ocean and retrieved an invaluable pearl, and he does not want to let go. Do not leave me, Rama. Nannu vidachi kadalakura Ramayya Rama, goes the Kriti. Sung by Sindhu Vasudevan in Reeti Gowda.
నన్ను విడచి కదలకురా నన్ను విడచి కదలకురా నన్ను విడచి కదలకురా రామయ్య రామా కోదండ రామా పటాభి రామా నన్ను విడచి కదలకురా రామయ్య రామా కోదండ రామా పటాభి రామా నన్ను విడచి కదలకురా రామయ్య రామా కోదండ రామా పటాభి రామా నన్ను విడచి కదలకురా రామయ్య రామా కోదండ రామా పటాభి రామా నన్ను ಕದಲಪುರ ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಕೋದಂಡ ರಾಮ ಪಟಾಭಿ ರಾಮ ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಪದಲಪುರ ಕದಲಪುರ ವದಲಪುರ ಕದಲಪುರ ವದಲಪುರ ನಿನ್ನು ಬಾಸಿಯರ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೂರ್ವನುರ ನಿನ್ನು ಬಾಸಿಯರ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೂರ್ವನುರ ನಿನ್ನು ಬಾಸಿಯರ ನಿಮಿಷ ಮೂರ್ವನುರ ನನ್ನು ವಿರಚಿ ಕದಲಪುರ ಅಬ್ದಿಲೋ ಮುನಿಗಿ ಶ್ವಾಸ ಮುನು ಬಟಿ ಅಬ್ದಿಲೋ ಮುನಿಗಿ ಶ್ವಾಸ ಮುನು ಬಟಿ ಅಬ್ದಿಲೋ ಮುನಿಗಿ ಶ್ವಾಸ ಮುನು ಬಟಿ ಆನೆ ಮೂತ್ಯ ಮುಕನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಗೆ ಶ್ರೀರಮಣ ಆನೆ ಮೂತ್ಯ ಮುಕನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಗೆ ಶ್ರೀರಮಣ ನನ್ನು ಬಿಡಚಿ ಕದಲಪುರ ಕದಲಪುರ ವದಲಪುರ ಕದಲಪುರ ವದಲಪುರ.
We hope you enjoyed this Saptakriti Mala presented by these children, and we hope to see you many more times on such occasions. Thank you. Namaskaram. Endaro Mahanubhavulu Antariki Vandanam.
It is indeed my pleasure to say a few words on the 25th anniversary of the Ramanavami celebrations by India Fine Arts. I remember back to the early days of 1990s when the Indian community in Austin was growing, but we did not have many forums to celebrate our arts or to inculcate our Hindu scriptures and epics among our youth. With the advent of India Fine Arts, Janaki and Nagarajan have fostered an explosion of cultural events in the Central Texas area. They have brought innumerable artists, both from North Indian and South Indian classical regimes, over the years to expand our perspectives, our knowledge, and our enjoyment of Indian arts. With the Ramanavami celebration, the focus has been on the youth. The young people of Austin have been asked to come forward and present music, dance, instruments, as well as essays and oratorical contests on the subject of Indian epics and our ancient traditions. I congratulate Janaki and Nagarajan on their yeoman service to the youth of Austin in fostering Indian religion and Indian arts. I wish them continued success and may their endeavors continue for many, many years and bring us all cultural enrichment over the next century. Thank you so much.
राम राम श्री राम, राम राम जय राम, राम राम श्री राम, राम राम जय राम, राम राम श्री राम, श्री राम राम रामेति, श्री राम, राम राम जय राम, रमे रामे मनोरमे, जय राम, राम राम श्री राम, सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं, राम राम जय राम, राम नाम वरानने, தரிக்கிட்ட தக்க தக்க தரிக்கிட்ட தக்க
அன்னையை பிரிந்தார்
திக் தரிக்கிட்ட தக்க திக்கு தரிக்கிட்ட தக்க
ஆழியை கடந்தார்
தும் தரிக்கிட்ட தக்க தும் தரிக்கிட்ட தக்க
அசுரனை வென்றார்
நம் தரிக்கிட்ட தக்க நக தரிக்கிட்ட தக்க
அயோத்தியமர்ந்தாய் தத்தரிக்கிட தக தக தரிக்கிட தக
அன்னையை பீரிந்தாய்
தித்தரிக்கிட தக திகு தரிக்கிட தக
ஆழியை கடந்தாய்
தும் தரிக்கிட தக தொக தரிக்கிட தக
அசுரனை வென்றாய்
நம் தரிக்கிட தக நக தரிக்கிட தக
அயோத்தி அமர்ந்தாய் ஜம் தரி ஜன்ன கிட்ட ஜெய் குட்டுக்கிட்ட தக்க ஜம் தரி ஜன்ன கிட்ட ஜெய் குட்டுக்கிட்ட தக்க சுர நர இந்திரர் பணியும் ஸ்ரீராமர் கவித்துவம் ஜம் ஜம் தரித ஜம் திங் தரித ஜம் தும் தரித ஜம் நம் தரித தா குஜனன் தரித த குஜனன் தரி ஜம் கிணதாம் ஜன கிணதாம் ஜம் கிண ஜகதரி ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம் தா குஜனன் தரித த குஜனன் தரி ஜம் கிணதாம் ஜன கிணதாம் ஜம் கிண ஜகதரி ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம் ஜம் கிணதாம் ஜன கிணதாம் ஜம் தரி ஜகதரி ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம் ஜம் கிணதாம் ஜன கிணதாம் ஜம் தரி ஜகதரி ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம் தாரக மந்திரம் ஸ்ரீராமம் தும் தரி கிடதக டன் டங்கி கிடதக தி தி தாம் த த தாம் ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம்
சுயம்பர வேளை வந்தது, சுயம்பர வேளை வந்தது, மீதிலையனும் மயனமைந்த நகரமதில் மங்கை நல்லாள் சீதைக்கு சுயம்பர வேளை வந்தது, மீதிலையனும் மயனமைந்த நகரமதில் மங்கை நல்லாள் சீதைக்கு சுயம்பர வேளை வந்தது, மீதிலையனும் அயனமைந்த நகரமதி மங்கை நல்லாள் சீதைக்கு சுயம்பர வேளை வந்தது.
நலம் குத்தக்கத்தை குத்தக்க சத்தி கிட்ட தோம் ஹரி தன 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 தஜோனு ஜோனு ததிமி திமி திமி தக்கிட்ட தக்கதா தித்தா தித்தா தக்கதைக்கு கிடத்துக்கு தெரிகிறோம் ஹரி தன 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 தஜோனு ஜோனு ஜோனு ததிமி திமி திமி தக்கிட்ட தக்கதா தித்தா தித்தா தக்கதைக்கு கிடத்துக்கு தெரிகிறோம் ஹரி தத்த தன தன தத்த ஜோனு ஜோனு தத்த தக்க கிடத்துக்கு தெரிகிறோம் ஹரி தத்த தன தன தத்த ஜோனு ஜோனு தத்த தெமி தக்க கிடத்துக்கு தெரிகிறோம் ஹரி தன தன தா தன தஜோனு ஜோனு தா ஜோனு ததிமி திமி தா திமி தக்கிட்ட தக்கதா ஹரி தத்த தன தக்க கிடத்துக்கு தெரிகிறோம் தன தத்த ஜோனு தக்க கிடத்துக்கு தெரிகிறோம் ஹரி தத்த தன தன தத்த ஜோனு ஜோனு தத்த திமி திமி தக்க கிட்ட ஹரி தன ஜோனு திமி தத்த கிடத்துக்கு தெரிகிறோம் தா ஹரி தன ஜோனு திமி தத்த கிடத்துக்கு தெரிகிறோம் தை ஹரி தன ஜோனு திமி தஜாலம் குத்தம் கிடத்துக்கு தெரிகிறோம்.
சுயம்பர வேளை வந்தது, மீதிலையனும் மயனமைந்த நகரமதி மங்கை நல்லாள் சீதைக்கு அங்கவங்க கலிங்க முதல் அனைத்து நாட்டின் மன்னரும் அங்கு வந்து ஜானகியை கைப்பிடிக்க கூடினர். அங்கவங்க கலிங்க முதல் அனைத்து நாட்டின் மன்னரும் அங்கு வந்து ஜானகியை கைப்பிடிக்க கூடினர். கல்யாண ராமன் எழுந்தான், கல்யாண ராமன் எழுந்தான், காசினியில் கல்யாண குணங்களின் உருவாய் அமைந்த கல்யாண ராமன் எழுந்தான், சிவதனுசை எடுத்தான், சீதை மாலை மாற்றினாள், மாலை மாற்றினாள், சீதை மாலை மாற்றினாள், மால் நடந்து மதிலரங்கள் மாலை அவர் தன் மார்பிலே பூமாலை சாற்றினாள், சீதை மாலை மாற்றினாள், மால் நடந்து மதிலரங்கள் மாலை அவர் தன் மார்பிலே பூமாலை சாற்றினாள், சீதை மாலை மாற்றினாள், மாலை சாற்றினாள், சீதை மாலை மாற்றினாள். சீதா கல்யாண வைபோ